我粉丝都忙了，来个古斯塔夫森。我操！哎，有这个了，这个人之前没有的。这是叫啥了？这个刚比完。那我来一局怪鸟吧，来一局怪鸟。来一局怪鸟，用一局怪鸟。安卡拉耶夫。沃克，等一会儿沃克啊。先来一局怪鸟打的是怪鸟跟佩雷拉。我讨厌这种上来就是顶七的可烦人。哎呀
nice punishing kick to the body. Well, you can spot that wide base, that stance of Yuri Prochazka from a mile away. His opponent didn't see that right hand coming.
Yeah, that right hand is tremendous from Yuri Prochazka. But that right hand starts with that wide base, with his ability to draw out your mistake, and then he always capitalizes on it.
Strike right there. I'm not sure how many more of these his opponent can take.
Massive shot that he landed. Great job.
Big land lands upstairs. Beautiful combination. So both guys landing it well here. Good action early. Oh, huge left.
Landing massive shots.
That knee might have landed there. Well, I'm no fighter, but if I rock a guy to that extent, I feel like I'm closing the show.
Absolutely. You gotta go close the show.
Over the top. This fight's gonna be over.
What a great way of mixing up his attack. He didn't stay low. He mixed it up. He went high with the pull up and going low. And now he's got him hurt very badly.
不是他妈内侧板。
Oh, he might be out. Oh! Lands a nice 1-2.
What a fight.
Oh, he's wobbled now. Back to the feet. Oh. That is it.
没打过水平吗？
Yuri Prochazka.
Oh, boy.
换个人，这人就会顶七。